loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narrowly back here again with another video for you guys, and welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be special because a lot of people came at me in my last Chloe Ting video about how my diet was trash, and I know it's trash. So in this video, I'm coming at you guys with 3 healthy breakfast ideas that I've been doing more often. They're semi-healthy. I'm not gonna say they're completely healthy, because I'm still transitioning into it. So if you guys have any tips on how I can make it healthier, please feel free to comment them down below. But enough of me talking, and let's just go right into the kitchen with me, guys. So the first healthy breakfast idea is an acai bowl. I got the acai from the brand Acai To Go, but I normally like to get the acai from Sambazon because it is healthier and unsweetened. So yeah, but that one unfortunately was sold out. So I just take the acai and put it in a blender, and then I take this low-fat vanilla yogurt and pour it all in the 1 full cup of the yogurt into the blender. Then I take some clean strawberries, blueberries, make sure that they're clean, and pour it all in the blender as well. And then I take the frozen strawberries. It's better if the blueberries were frozen too, but I was too late to freeze them, I forgot, And then I take some apple juice and put a little bit in there, not too much, and there is a beautiful blend. I love the way it looks like this, but I blend it, and then I realized that I forgot to add the bananas, so I paused that and I take 1 full banana and put it in. I cut it into 3s, and then I just put it in, and then I had to blend it again, as you guys will see. So there it is, me blending it out and making sure that there's no thick banana, like a full banana, so I don't while choking. And then I pour it into a bowl. You guys can pour it into several bowls so that it'll be easier for your serving, because this is the lot for just 1 serving. And then I basically freeze it overnight. That's the best way to do it, unless you just want to make it for the next day. So then for the next day, I just cut a little Ziploc bag and I put some Nutella in there. I know some of you guys are gonna come crazy at me because I have Nutella in there, but a little sweetness isn't gonna hurt me. So this is kind of like the ratchet way to do it. There's probably a much better way to do it, and if you guys have one, please let me know in the comments down below, because this was really unsuccessful. But I just wanted to make sure there was a little bit of Nutella in there, but not too much, because this is trying to be healthy over here. And then I cut a full banana and I just put it on both sides of the bowl, which is yummy or whatever. You guys know the deal. You guys can pretty much add whatever fruit you guys want. I added banana on it. You guys can leave it at just banana, as you guys can tell, or you guys can add some pineapples as well, like I did, or strawberries, or whatever you guys would like. Any fruit that you guys like is good. Fruits are always good for you. So that is basically it for this healthy breakfast
So there
video.
you guys have it, the acai bowl, my first healthy breakfast idea. And I know some of you are gonna come at me about how the Nutella isn't healthy, but there's a lot of fruit in here, so a little bit of Nutella isn't gonna hurt me. You guys can feel free to replace that with almond butter or peanut butter or whatever you guys would like. But I'm still transitioning into the healthy lifestyle, so a little bit of Nutella, that's usually what I get my acai bowls with anyways, because the acai can be a little bit sour depending on how you make it. And yeah, so I'm sorry about that, but it tastes really bomb, and it's still kind of healthy, and I'm trying out here because you guys know, if you guys saw my Chloe Ting video where I did the what I eat, there was not many fruits in there. But yeah, you guys can also feel free to add any fruit that you guys want. If you guys want to put strawberries, blueberries, anything that you guys want, you guys can put it in there. And yeah, that is it for the acai bowl and the healthy breakfast idea number 1. Alright guys, so on to the second breakfast idea. Today we are going to be making stripped potatoes with some egg and ham and tomatoes along with that. And this is kind of like, the potatoes are kind of like hash browns a little bit, but more healthy. I don't like to put too much oil or grease on it, I just spray the pan a little bit and then we jump right into that. But I will be showing you guys how to do that, so just stay tuned and let's just jump right into this healthy breakfast idea.
So first thing we're going to start off is stripping the potato because, you know, we're stripping them. That's why I said kind of like stripped potatoes, but I really gassed it because it's really just like healthier hash browns. So basically peel your potato apart, make sure there's no skin left over on it, and I have a peeler because I suck at peeling it with just a regular knife, but if you got the expertise, then you go ahead and do that, sis. And then I take the grater and I start grating the potato, like, you know, when you grate some cheese, but instead of the cheese it's potato, you know, get those thin pieces, you know the vibes, guys. And make sure you don't cut yourself or anything, so just go until you can, and then if there's like a little piece, just throw it in there, it'll be fine. And then you can just clean off the excess potatoes off of the grater and make sure you get as much as you can in there. Just be careful not to cut yourself because, you know, you don't want to start like bleeding on the potatoes or anything like that. I don't know why I would be the one to say that, but anyways, after you grate it, it's gonna look pretty nasty. I'm pretty sure it's like starch, like, you know how you see like the water is like really white and stuff. Yeah, just make sure you clean that out, put some water on it, and then strain it. And after I do strain the water that's already in there, you see how the liquid's like really white, I make sure to put more water and get it as clear as possible so it's not like crusty looking or anything like that. And yeah, that's basically what I do to clean off the potato and stuff, make sure that there's no nasty modified anything in there or anything like that, and basically until like the water that's coming out is clearer than it was at the beginning. So yeah, then I take the potatoes off the strainer and then I start seasoning a little bit. I put some salt, as much salt as you can want, and then I put a little bit of pepper, not too much because I don't like them too spicy, but if you like them spicy, then go off, sis. Go ahead and do that. And then I basically just mix it in a little bit so that it's not just all sitting on one place, but it's all over the potato. And then after I do that, I also add some onions, like onion powder, and that basically just mix that in as well, the way I did the salt and pepper. So now it's time to, you know, cook it up and heat everything up. So I take some cooking spray, not a lot because like I said, I want it to be really low in oil. So I put a little bit of spray on there so it doesn't stick to the pan, and I put it in, you can put it in smaller sections if you want. I just kind of put it all in because like I'm the one who's going to be eating it. Don't mind my belly in the side. I had just worked out this day, so that's why I was like in a sports bra. But yeah, anyways, besides that point, I basically put it all in and kind of take like a little spatula and flatten it all out on the pan, and I just wait. I put it on a really low heat so that I can heat it up there and it'll get crunchier. And then I take some tomatoes and I cut it up. This tomato, I didn't have that much. You guys are literally gonna roast me because I put more eggs and tomatoes, but most of the tomato was for me, and then my mom took the rest of the eggs, so that's why I didn't make that much tomato. And also I couldn't find the rest of the tomatoes in my house, so yeah. Basically, I take the tomato, cut it all up, and then I take 3 eggs. That's why I said you guys were gonna roast me, because 3 eggs to like half a tomato just don't add up. But anyways, 3 eggs, put it in there. You guys can put as much eggs as you guys want, obviously, according to how many people you're feeding. And then I take some ham and I cut it up into little strips because, you know, I don't want to like swallow the whole thing, you know. But yeah, and then this is the final look of the final look, like I'm doing with the tutorial. This is the final product of my food, and it was amazing. Y'all should try it. And the third and final breakfast is avocado toast with some eggs. You know, I'm actually not a fan of avocado, but I've been trying to eat healthier, so I actually like the way that this turned out. I would probably not eat avocados by itself. People are gonna come crazy at me for that, but like I said, I'm picky. I'm transitioning into a healthy lifestyle, so please don't come crazy at me. But I like this mix. So basically just cut a little bit of avocado. I didn't do that much because I was literally only feeding myself. And please don't roast the way I cut the avocado because like, I'm sorry. Then I tried to do it with a spoon, and then I realized that I was dumb because I could have easily just taken a fork from the jump. And as you guys saw, I picked out a little bit of the skin because it was still on there. But anyways, I mashed it up. It's better if you take a fork from the jump and just smash it all up in the thing. As you guys will see, it's not a lot that I made because like once again, it was only for me and I was only having like 1 piece of toast. But then I take some salt like I did in the other recipe, and I take some lemon pepper and I put that in there. And I also take a little tiny bit of garlic. I'm telling you, don't put a lot because a little goes a long way. Just putting that out out there, guys. And then I just basically mix it all in and make sure that it's all evenly distributed in there. And I also take a little bit of lemon. You guys can take an actual lemon, or you guys can take a lemon liquid. And I didn't want to put all of it in there, but then when I tried to put it back in the bottle, I basically just poured it all in the bowl anyways. But you know, whatever, my dumbass. But yeah, this is basically how it turned out, and it looks like a really tiny bit, but it'll all fit on the toast that I made, so it's okay. So then I put the toast, and the reason I'm taking the coffee is because I didn't want it to be like too flat. And then I also did make some eggs, and you guys see right here, they were bomb as fuck too. But yeah, then I take the toast out and I make sure to like tap it because I want to make sure that it's crunchy for the toast, you know, vibes. Then I take the avocado spread that I made and I basically just spread it all out on the toast. Obviously, you know, kind of self-explanatory, avocado toast. And then after I do that, I put the eggs on the toast, and that is the final healthy breakfast idea, guys. So this is my little avocado toast. You guys can make it as healthy as you guys want. I'm still transitioning into it. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm screaming. My family is really loud, so like, you know, that's why. But this is my avocado toast. This is the last breakfast idea, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys recreate any of these breakfast ideas, please let me know. Tag me in your pictures or whatever. Send them to me, DM them to me, whatever you guys want. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video upstairs because my family's loud as heck.
Much later.
Alright, my love, so I realized that I never ended the video, and I know I haven't been the best YouTuber this past month, but I promise I'm coming back soon, strong. Hopefully school's about to start, so hopefully I'll have some school content for you guys and all of that good stuff. Keep the workout grind going. It's been a little hard right now because I've been having like a little bit of back issues, so I'm taking a little bit of a break, so that's why I haven't been posting workout videos. So yeah, but if you guys enjoyed these healthy breakfast ideas, make sure to comment down below. Let me know which one you're going to be trying, which one's your favorite. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.